Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Kapa 6-in-1 USB-C type hub adapter. This is a very basic box with very little information on it. Actually, we don't even get to see the company logo. This is very strange, but not unheard of. It has 3 USB 3.0 ports, 1 HDMI port that supports 4K resolution, 1 flash card slot, and 1 SD card slot. To be fair, that's a lot. Let's open this box really quickly. Just pull out the plastic tray and there you have it. This is what the hub looks like. It's actually quite sleek and lightweight. On one end we have a cable with USB-C type port at the end. Basically this is designed for devices that have a C-type port such as MacBooks, Chromebooks or even mobile devices. You can see the USB ports and the HDMI ports on this side. On the other side we have the flash card and the SD card slots as expected. And that's all you will find inside this box. Is nothing else, no documents, nothing. Thank you for watching.